Generally, Indian foods are known for its high carbohydrate and fats, but maximum of Indian foods are also loaded with sugar. India being one of the largest producer and export of sugar, so maximum of Indian foods and Indians probably prefer sugar in all their foods throughout the day. Preferably, you take Indian sweets and Indian drinks, soft drinks, etc. All are loaded with sugar. Even the morning coffee, morning tea. So the question comes: is it too much, or what effect does too much of sugar affects on our organs? So let's find out in this video. Although brain needs glucose for its functioning, but too much sugar makes us addictive towards it, which later causes diseases such as type 1 diabetes or later on type 2 and even obesity. Regular intake of sugar in diet or consuming diet sodas, soft drinks or sugary foods can cause tooth decays, which later turns out to be enamel that causes cavities and other gum problems. Too much sugar can develop type 2 diabetes, which later on can cause heart stroke or heart disease, or type 1 diabetes, which can make your life worse. It can also block your heart bulbs. Excess processed sugar can dehydrate your skin and speed up your aging. So better reduce processed sugar or packed food sugar from your diet and focus on fruits and vegetables and limit it within your day. Sucrose and maltose, which is also a form of sugar which remains undigested in our intestines, can cause diarrhea, bloating or even gas problems. All packed sweet foods probably contain sucrose and maltose which remain undigested for a long period of time, so avoid those. When the liver is fine, the sugar will be processed and stored there and will be released to the bloodstream whenever it requires. But when the liver is not fine, it will be released to the bloodstream unprocessed. Fructose, which is also a form of sugar, can increase the risk of kidney stones. So the general way to measure your sugar levels is to check your urine. If the blood sugar levels are high, the body releases sugar into the urine and then it flushes out. The higher the sugar level, blood sugar levels, the higher level of sugar is released through urine. If this isn't the case, you are doing just fine, which later on causes type 2 diabetes, or if you aren't aware, type 1 diabetes, and you probably have to take insulin to regulate it. So these are some of the major impact of sugars on our major organs. So that's it from today's video. Please do like and subscribe to the channel.